Yep, that would be probably okay.
And drop him right about there.
Okay.
That's that right switch.
Yeah. Okay, let me get you on, zooming in on you.
All right, I'm going to throttle back.
Okay.
Drop him now. Drop.
Okay. You got good control, Steve. Go into the wind. Go towards the mountain. There you go, right there.
Sweet.
Oh man,
right
Steve.
that
I'll get you both there. You both are in it. Oh, perfect, Steve. You're just hanging there, buddy. Got you circling, Tom. Steve, why don't you unfurl? Unfurl. The flag.
Oh, flag.
There's the flag.
Oh, you guys.
The flag is out. The flag is out. Oh, it's perfect, Steve. You're just hanging there. Hang in there, Steve. Crank it the other way. You're coming around. There you go. Keep coming around. Fight that wind. Come back. Keep coming. Nice. Right there, Steve. Just hang in there.
Just hang in there as long as you can.
Yep. Go back to the left. There you go. Now go that way for a while. Look at the flag. I'm going to zoom out to get Tom flying around it. There you are. Fight that wind, Steve.
Yeah, keep it in the way.
Flare at the end.
Oh, yeah!
Perfect!
Oh, right, okay to land?